Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And to some of you who doesn't know me yet, I do random stuff. Usually I do crafting, I do music, I do tutorials, and sometimes I do reviews. And speaking of reviews, I'm going to make a review of this specific product that I bought last time. And this product is a cell phone unit, which is the Redmi 9A. Then after that, I'm going to tell you guys if it's worth it. So without further ado, let's start. So before we start, I'm going to show you the specs of the Redmi 9A. So this unit was actually released last July 7, 2020. It is dual SIM, so you can actually use 2 SIM packs in one phone. There is also a micro SD slot, so you can store your photos and videos. So those are the internal memories that are available on this phone. The price will depends on how big the memory is, which means the bigger the memory, the higher the price. It has a built-in battery, which means it is non-removable. It has 5000 milliampere per hour, which means that the battery will not gonna drain quickly. The Redmi 9A has 3 colors to choose from, which is carbon gray, sky blue, and the ocean green. So we will see later on which color I picked. I bought this one at the mall, which is they needed to open it so they will check if it's working or not. So that means that the plastic cover has already been ripped off. As you can see, I got 2 gigabytes random access memory, or the RAM, and 32 gigabytes read-only memory, or ROM. So this is worth 4,790. So I'm going to open it to see what's included in the box. Always remember guys, if you want to buy a gadget or a phone, go to their official website if you want to buy it online, or go visit their official store at the mall, so that if you have problem with your unit, you can still go back to where you bought it and they can fix it, or they can replace it to a new one. So this is what you see at the front part as you open the box, and then at the back part of it is the SIM tray ejector, in which you can use it to open the SIM slot. So what's inside of it is the warranty card and the manual. So if you have questions or don't know how to use it, then you can just read the user guide or the manual. Everything you want to know about Redmi 9A is already been included in this user guide. So the color that I pick is the carbon gray. What's so nice about this is the back features has a textured design that prevents fingerprints, and it also have matte texture, so it won't easily fall off if you're holding it because it's not slippery. So the back camera has 13 megapixel. So before we turn it on, let's see what's left inside the box, which is the charger and the charger cord. So as you can see, at the side is the power button and the volume button. And on the left side is where the SIM slot is. Again, the Redmi 9A is a dual SIM, and you can also put micro SD. So I will turn it on now, and just like other cell phones, it already has built-in apps like Google Chrome, App Store. It also have radio, it has Netflix, and many more. So let's see the quality of the camera, which has a 13 megapixel. Again, this is a new phone, so you need to set up everything. me, it has a clear shot, but not as clear as the expensive phones. But to me, it's still a-okay. It also have night mode, time lapse, and short video. It also have 5 built-in games. There are also themes that you can choose from, but you need to set up everything first. If you want to check the specs of the phone, just click the About Phone and you will see the specs of it. So based on my research, some says that it is good for gaming, but you can't download a lot of apps because it is just 2 gigabytes RAM. But you don't have to worry about that because you can also put micro SDs to increase the memory of your phone. Sorry about that, I need to cover some of the pictures because I already put a micro SD in it. If you want to put widgets onto your screen, just long press the screen and you can see options there. If you want to put notes or calendar, it's already there. So there you have it, the Redmi 9A. And all I can say is I think it is a good buy. Use it as backup phone or for personal use. And in terms of to some of you who do live streams and give away a free banana, you can actually use it because it's affordable. In terms of downloading applications, it is limited since it is only 2 gigabytes phone memory. But then all I can say is for its price, I think it's worth it. So there you have it. I hope this video will help those who are searching for cell phone unit that is affordable. So just buy the Redmi 9A. Thank you for watching. Gracie here, signing off.